What is the laziest way of making money online? In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 business models that you can start as that I categorize them as the laziest way of making money online. So without further ado, I'll dive into it. So step number 1 is by starting freelancing business. So when you talk of freelancing, I have categorized them according to business, the setup time, and then the capital that you need. But with the freelancing, it's not like just going out there to do surveys and all those stuffs, but rather you starting like video editing, social media marketing, and graphic designs, copywriting, and then web development. How long it will take you for you to start up all this kind of business and become profitable? So you can last you about 1 to 6 months before you can start up with this freelancing business and make money online. So the reason why I'm saying 1 to 6 months is that you just have to acquire the skills before you can go out there to promote whatever you want to promote. And if not that, there have so many ways of learning this. You can learn them on YouTube and all those stuffs. And the reason why I categorize them as a lazy way of making money online is that you can choose the day, the time that you want, where and when you want to work. As simple as that. So you can work with anything. It just like it's not unlike the 9 to 5 jobs that where you need to put on ties and all those stuffs. With this, you can just go out there to work whatever whenever you just wish you want to work. You can start video editing, and you can just place a gig on for a website like Fiverr and Upwork, and with them you can just go out there to make money as a freelancer, and you can make up to $2,000 $3,000 each and every month as a freelancer. That's the reason why I categorize them as a lazy way of making money online. So what's the capital that you need to start this business? So the capital that you need to start is $0. Why $0? With these freelancing businesses, all you need is the person submitting their gigs for you to do them for them. Yes. So for example, if you want to learn social media marketing, you don't have to get yourself anything. The only thing that you need is a device that you're going to use, like your phone, your computer or laptop that you're going to use. So you don't have to invest in anything. It's zero capital, and you can make money out of the things that you have at your own comfort zone. So number 2 on my list today is by setting up online stores. So online stores are very profitable nowadays, unlike the olden days where you you have to go out there and then rent a shop before you can set up a business or a store. But right now, because of this internet, everything is becoming very simple. So you can just order items from China, and then you just set up online business, like online store, with the help of this WordPress, by setting up e-commerce website, and then you can just sell them on the website. So whenever somebody gets visit the website and purchase any item from you, you can just deliver the items to the person and you take your profit. So how long does it take you for you to set up that online store? It can take you about 1 to 2 weeks before you can set up this kind of business and become very profitable on the internet. Why 1 to 2 weeks? Because you just have to acquire certain skills, and even before your website ranks, it can take you about 1 to 2 weeks before the website ranks on the internet for you to get more customers. And at the beginning, nobody knows you, so it's going to be very difficult for people to trust you, or to build your trust for them to know that you are a real human being and you can help them with whatever they want to buy from you, and you are not trying to scam them or those stuffs. So what's the capital that you need to start up this kind of business over here? So you just have to get yourself at least $100 for you to start up this kind of business. Why $100? The items that you're going to sell, just have to bring them from import them from certain place like China, Alibaba, and all those stuffs. So you just have to get yourself all those stuffs, like items from China, where you're going to place them on your website, because you cannot set up a website without items, so you have to import them from China. So at the first start, you can just start up with just $100, and as time goes on, you can just increase the capital by yourself whilst you add the profit to it. So you can give yourself about 1 to 3 months or 6 months before you begin to spend or use money from that website. You just have to reinvest the capital with the profit into that same business. So I would not advise you go with pre-order. Just invest in with the capital or the little that you have. When time goes on, you build the trust that you have. You build the trust to a certain level. You can just go ahead and then add pre-order to whatever you are doing, and with that, you can just make money online as a online marketer. So step number three on our list is by starting affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is a business model where you just go out there to promote people's product and you take profits from them after you get any sales from it. So why is it very the lazy way of making money online? So affiliate marketing, you don't have to work very hard. You just have to be smart, and you can just promote the link for at least once, and then it's going to fetch you profit. So you just have to get yourself or know what people are searching for, and with that you can make money with affiliate marketing. So somebody may ask, how long will it take you to set up this kind of affiliate marketing business and make money? So it can take you about 1 to 3 days to set up a full become a full affiliate marketer. Why 2 to 3 days? I'm sorry, 1 to 3 days, because you just have to sign up to certain websites, and certain websites like Impact takes 1 to 3 working days before they can approve you on their website, and most of them are going to so you are going to see your accounts being pending before you can go out. They will accept you to join their platforms, and you begin to make money online. And whilst you've started as a complete beginner, you have no audience, so you just have to build yourself for a certain period of time before you can make money as an affiliate marketer. So how long will it take you to set up a full or become a full what capital do you need to become a affiliate marketer? So you just need $0 as affiliate marketer to make money. So you don't need any money to make money. It depends on how much you want to scale yourself or how much you want to make on the internet. So you don't have to bother yourself with affiliate marketing. You just have to promote links, and when somebody purchase, we can just make money online. The situation whereby you invest in it is when you want to scale or you want to make more money. That's where ads and all those stuffs come inside. So you don't have to worry yourself about all those stuffs. You can just start up with a $0, and then as time goes on, you begin to make money. You can reinvest that same money, like you invest 10% of the income that you get to the business model that you are doing, like you run paid ads in order to make more money on the internet. So last but not the least, but before you go to the last one, if today happens to be your first time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly, guys. So let's dive into that. So the last one is by starting content creation. So content creation is very simple, like wherever you are watching me from, this is known as content creation. You just create content out there for you to make money online. The best platform that I'll recommend for you is by doing YouTube. YouTube is very busy. It's a business model that you just do the work once, and it's going to fetch you money in the future. Yeah, so if you want to start content creation, I would advise you go with YouTube. Unlike people who are suggesting TikTok and all those stuffs, I would not advise you go with TikTok, because TikTok is not the monetization is not available in all regions. So I would advise you go with YouTube, and with YouTube, that's where you can begin to make real cash as a content creator. And how long does it take you to become a full YouTuber? So day one, you can just set up a YouTube channel, and begin to create more content on it. Just by staying consistent, you can get more audience and then get your channel monetized. So the monetization criteria for YouTube is 1000 subscribers and then 4000 watch hours. With that, you can just go out there to monetize your YouTube channel, and if after joining the YouTube partner program, you can just make money online as a content creator. So how long? The capital that you need is $0. So the only thing that you need is an internet connection, and the things that sometimes the things that you can make videos about are not even online, so they are not even pay for. You don't have to pay for anything. We can just use them for free. For example, you can go out there to take pictures or videos of trees and then upload them on YouTube, and people are going to watch that because people love that nature things. So you can get people to watch that. So, and the wonderful things out there, you can just go out there, pick up your camera, phone camera, take videos of that, and people are also going to watch that. So that's all that. So let me know in the comment section the business model that you want to set up, and then I'll make video around that for you from this list in the my next video. So do what to like the video, subscribe, and then turn notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this, YouTube will send notification instantly, guys. Without being said, see you in my next video. Stay safe and then peace out.